Before you spend thousands on renovating your home, watch this video. Because your home probably doesn't look outdated because you need expensive furniture. It may be because of 7 simple mistakes that are secretly making your space look cluttered, smaller, and cheaper. And the best part, the first makeover costs absolutely nothing. So before you renovate anything, let's fix these 7 things, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to spend your money and where not to waste it. Number 1, stop adding things to your home. I know, it sounds strange. When our home doesn't look good, our first thought is, maybe I need new cushions, a new vase, a new shelf, maybe a new sofa. But then we keep adding things, and somehow the room looks even worse. Because the problem was never that your home was empty. The problem was visual clutter. Before buying anything, remove everything that doesn't add function or beauty. Clear your surfaces, hide messy wires, remove random decor, and suddenly your existing home starts looking more expensive for free. But now comes the mistake that makes even an expensive room look unfinished. Number 2, stop renovating everything. You don't need to renovate the entire room. You need one thing that creates a wow you moment. Look at your room. What is the first wall or area your eyes go to? That's your opportunity. In the bedroom, it could be your bed wall. In the living room, the TV wall. In the dining room, a beautiful statement light. Instead of spending money everywhere, put your budget into one high-impact focal point. A little paint, wallpaper, wall molding, texture, even a simple panel design. One strong feature can make the entire room look professionally designed. And now let's talk about something that can completely change your home, especially at night. Number 3 is the lighting mistakeo. If your home feels boring, don't blame your furniture yet. Look at your lighting. One bright white light in the center of the room can make even beautiful interiors feel flat and harsh. Instead, create layers. A floor lamp, a table lamp, warm lighting near your TV unit or bed. The difference is huge, because luxury isn't always about buying expensive things. Sometimes it's simply about how you make people feel inside the room. But here's where people spend money unnecessarily. Number 4 is don't throw away old furniture before replacing that. Old cabinet, dining chair, or table, stop. Ask yourself, is this furniture actually damaged, or am I just bored of how it looks? Because an old piece can look completely new with a makeover. Change the color, change the handles, reupholster the fabric, refinish the wood. Sometimes the piece you are about to throw away could become the most interesting piece in your entire home. And the next tip is small, but people notice it more than you think. Number 5 is the details that make a home look cheap. Ever walked into a home and thought, everything looks nice, but something still feels off? Usually it's the details. Old cabinet handles, random metal finishes, cheap-looking switch plates, mismatched curtain rods. These things are small, but your eyes notice the inconsistency. Try repeating just 2 or 3 finishes throughout your home. For example, wood plus warm brass, or black plus natural wood. Suddenly, your home starts feeling intentional. And that word, intentional, is the secret to making a budget home look expensive. Number 6 is make a small home feel bigger. If your room feels small, please don't start thinking about breaking walls. Try this first. Hang your curtains higher. Use one large mirror instead of multiple tiny decorations. Choose the right furniture size. And keep clear pathways to walk. Because a room doesn't feel small just because of its square footage. It feels small when your eyes have nowhere to rest and your body has no space to move. And now, the final tip is what will make all the other 6 tips actually work together. Number 7 is the designer secret. Create a color story. This is the difference between a home that looks randomly decorated and a home that feels designed. Before buying anything new, choose your color direction. Maybe warm white, wood, and black, or beige, soft green, and brass. You don't need everything to match. That's boring. But your rooms should feel like they're having the same conversation. Repeat a color, repeat a material, repeat a finish. That's how you create flow. And suddenly, your entire home starts looking more expensive, even when you haven't spent much. So before you say, my home needs a complete renovation, try saying, maybe my home just needs better decisions. Because a beautiful home isn't created by spending the most money. It's created by understanding what to change, what to keep, and what to stop buying. And that's exactly what I want to help you do on this channel. Now that I have the experience, I don't just want to show you beautiful homes, I want to teach you how to create one. So if you want practical interior design ideas, budget makeovers, and designer secrets that actually work, subscribe and comment below. What's the one thing in your home you want to change first? Because your answer might just become my next video. See you in the next one.